Hi Ray, I was about to push for a test, and I've just was looking for something that had changed that I could tick off and confirm that the push had worked. I've come into the media library and I've got a whole lot of failed messages on optimizing the images. It's nothing that you've done. It's due to the fact that I actually need to go and purchase Quota so that the Kraken Pro plugin will optimize the images. So with a script or a cron job running, when I I haven't upgraded the account yet, but when I upgrade the account, um, I'm not exactly sure what would happen because you've got it set to be 4 images an hour. And then when I unlock the account, it may do more and we might start getting timeouts. I'm not sure. So can you let me know? I haven't upgraded from Kraken yet. I'll just wait to hear what you have to say about what we should do before I go and upgrade. And yeah, so if you could let me know, that'd be great. Okay, cheers. Oh, and I will say that I'm not going to push to live until we have until I get feedback from you about this because we potentially may need to restart again. I don't know. I'll wait for your feedback. Okay. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.